Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you have a Fiat 500, you need to find where your throttle body is located in case you need to replace it. Stay with us, we'll explain that today, and we'll explain what usually needs to be done to replace the throttle body and common mistakes people make. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. We'll be demonstrating on a Fiat 500 Abarth 1.4 engine, but even if you have a different one, procedure will be very similar. We will explain how to find the throttle body. On the Abarth, you have to remove your air filter box. If you want to see how to do that, the video is on our channel. Usually when you open the hood on your Fiat 500, you will notice that on one side of the engine, this is a turbo engine, but usually you will have the exhaust. If you have the turbo, that's where the exhaust is, on this side, and on the back side is where the engine gets its air from, and that's where the intake manifold is. And if you follow right here, guys, okay, on the very right side of the intake manifold, okay, that device right here is known as a throttle body. The purpose of the throttle body, what it does, guys, it allows the car to get air. It has a flap that turns, okay, and the engine gets air that way. But another thing, okay, it has a motor that regulates the RPMs. So it will keep steady RPMs. It will be practically responsible for the normal engine operation. How do you guys remove it? It's pretty simple. We have to disconnect the wire, you have to disconnect the intake hose with the clamp, and then you will just have 4 bolts, okay, right there. That all you have to do, just remove, go ahead, unscrew them, and the whole throttle body will come out. Pretty simple, guys. On some models cars, I haven't seen on Fiat, but on some models we've seen coolant go through the throttle body, so in that case you will have to drain the cooling system. Something else, guys, when you remove that throttle body, it's super important not to drop anything in the intake manifold. Cover it, because if you drop something such as a tool, nut, anything, guys, a rug or anything like that, it goes in the intake manifold. From there it goes to the intake valves, gets in the engine, and practically will destroy your engine. So make sure you do not drop anything when removing throttle body or replacing it. Most of the times when you have a bad throttle body, you can test it and find out if it's good or bad. Another thing, you can actually, guys, clean throttle bodies. Cleaning throttle body will solve the problem, I would say 7 out of 10 times. We have a special video that explains how to clean throttle body. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.